Hello, I'm Victor Gerlich, a visiting professor of statistics. I am presenting my proposal, Protection from AI Cheating in Quantitative Homeworks. In the remote learning environment, students can present AI results as their own results and get 100% grades. My proposal protects from such cheating and belongs to the track Teaching and Learning in the Age of AI. My algorithm checks if the student has used the required application. If not, then the grade is always 0, even if the answer is correct. I have developed a dynamic Excel book with 2 sheets. The first sheet consists of homework problems on the left and input values shown in the tables on the right. The input values for the problems are generated based on the student's name. For example, for the name Doe, the input values for problem 2.3 are 6, 6, and 3. The correct answer to this problem is 9. The student can get this answer from AI. However, if the student inserts the correct answer into the corresponding cell, my algorithm will generate a grade of 0%. Any other answer will also generate the answer of 0%. It is achieved with the help of the hidden Excel formulas. To receive 100% grade, the student must copy the input data, go to the second sheet with applications, and insert the data into the correctly selected application. After that, the student copies the answer and inserts it into the first sheet. Now, the automatically generated grade is 100%, as opposed to 0% for the AI answer. The student can go to the next problem. The goal of this session is to share an Excel-based method that prevents AI cheating by rewarding the process of solving problems using required applications over submitting the AI-provided result. Faculty will walk away with a ready-to-use framework that can be adapted for any quantitative course. You will learn how to automate grading that is resilient to AI cheating and is fair to your students. I look forward to sharing these results with you and discussing how we can use these tools in our courses. Thank you.